Hi everyone, my name is Meryl. I am the librarian that will be working with your class this quarter, and I also work with many of the business classes at Edmonds. What I want to show you today is one of our databases that you may be using in some of your business classes. So we're going to start at the library homepage, which is the main way to access our databases. I'm going to scroll down under library resources, and I'm going to click on this first link, search databases. It will take us to this page. From here, we're going to scroll down to search a database, and we're going to go to this tab, Business, Careers, and Education. I'm going to click on that, and this is an alphabetical listing of our databases that are focused in the subject areas of business and education. And I'm going to scroll down to Mergent Intellect. This is the database we're going to be looking at. I'm going to click on that. And since we're accessing this from off campus, we'll need to log in, as you will need to do for all of the library databases. You'll use your student ID number in the first as your username, and then the password that you set up for campus is your password. And then go ahead and I'm going to click login. This should then take us into Mergent Intellect. This database is useful, again, in your business classes, primarily because it has information about companies. So if you're doing any kind of project and researching a company, its financials, its history, where it fits in within a specific industry, this is the database that you'll be looking at. It's very easy to use. I'm just going to do a quick search, say on Starbucks. And what you want to do here, the main thing is when you do search on a company, make sure that you get the headquarters. You don't want to be looking at anything else that's kind of subsidiaries or tangential to Starbucks. You want that headquarters. So just look for that word headquarters in there. And it should be searching. And here we go. It takes us to the main page for Starbucks. And we're not going to go into great depth here because you don't need it for this class. But like I said, you will be probably using this, and you'll be looking at the financial details. This is an important tab. You'll be looking at the balance sheet. You'll be looking at ratios. You'll also be looking at industry details. So very easy to use. When you get to some other courses, you'll go into more depth. But I basically just wanted to introduce you to Mergent Intellect so you know how to get there and how to do a very basic search on a specific company. Okay? If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me.